Hi guys, Aspen here from Drone in Asia. Today I'm out hiking. Happy New Year. I'm gonna shoot some footage with my Canon M50, which I'm filming with now. Fly a little bit with my drone DJI Mavic Air 2. It's gonna snow today, a little bit later, so it's pretty cold. It's -2 degrees, I think. Yeah, I just wanna hike a little bit and enjoy the nature before the snow comes. And in 2021 I'm gonna start changing my channel a little bit more. I'm gonna do more nature stuff and hopefully some reviews and stuff like that. But I'm gonna make some changes to my channel just to try to build some more audience. It's pretty difficult to hit that algorithm on YouTube, but I'm gonna do my best. So all support means a lot to me, so if you like it or dislike it or comment or whatever, thank you so much. See you. Bye bye.
I've been running round in circles, chasing my tail and lost my way, seeking shelter in different corners. To stay, somehow ended up ground. Brother, help me up, I've fallen down. I know that I hurt the ones that I hold dear, the ones I love. Thought that I would find the answers, drinking till my feet felt numb, just like Father did when I was young. I don't know how I could be so dumb. I've been lost far too long. I can't see, I'm trapped in darkness. Life has turned